Hi, today for the video DOOGEE X95 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and after that tap to the display. Then click the wallpaper and select for example new wallpaper from the default wallpapers here or from photos on your device previously taken in your device camera. Download it on for example from the Google Photos gallery or from the Google Drive. I'll use one from this available pictures. Then click on the left upper corner and tap to lock screen. So click here. Let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the empty space on our home screen, then tap to wallpaper section and by the same way just select one from these available wallpapers, tap to the left upper corner, click to the lock screen, wallpaper is set successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.